So one of the things when I'm evaluating a patient, I'm looking for cavities, gum disease, but if I see the patients have worn out teeth, they have what we call wear facets, little holes in their teeth, or shaved down, cusps. They have recession. They have what are called abfractions. These are things that trigger treatment. And if there's not a trigger that has sleep apnea, then I know that patient needs what's called a night guard. Especially if you're young and you start grinding your teeth and you see signs of this, very quickly your teeth are going to wear down. Very quickly your teeth are going to have other problems related to the wear and the recession. And so what we do is we make what's called night guards, and that really helps preserve not only the tooth structure and the gums, but it helps with TMJ, the muscles in the face, and keeps the jaws in their correct place and keeps the muscles and ligaments from stretching. And it's a very, very important aspect of dentistry that I'm passionate about as well.